Ever wonder how an AI turns your prompt into a full response? Fundamentally, it plays a lightning fast game of next token prediction, constantly guessing the most probable next word. When you type a prompt, the AI first breaks your text down into smaller pieces called tokens. It then converts these tokens into numerical vectors called embeddings, which capture both the meaning of the words and their exact position in your sentence. Next, these numbers enter the transformer block. Here, a self-attention mechanism acts like an internal search engine. Each token acts as a query, searching the keys of surrounding tokens and extracting their value to understand how every word relates to the others. After discovering these relationships, a multi-layer perceptron refines the information to capture deeper, complex patterns. Finally, the AI calculates output probabilities. It scores tens of thousands of possible vocabulary words by how likely they are to come next. By adjusting a setting called temperature, the AI decides whether to pick the safest, most predictable word or inject some randomness for creativity. It selects the winning word, adds it to your prompt, and repeats the entire cycle over and over.